Hey everybody, so hopefully you're having a good day. So I just wanted to stop by and let you know about the opportunity I have for you to work with me for free. So this is a snapshot of what my course curriculum looks like for my Lash and business training, and I'm looking to work with 2 people for free to start and to learn about the Lash application process and how to start your Lash business. So in this curriculum, we will go over everything in this module. It will be unlimited access, ongoing support through the Facebook group, and you will have access to me one-on-one. We will go through things like to set up your booking app properly so people can book with you, how to set up your social media like TikTok and also Instagram. So if you're interested, go ahead and click the link in my bio and fill out the form to let me know that you're interested. And then this will be a limited opportunity to no more than 2 to 3 students or future Lash bosses, but you do want to take advantage of it now. So click the link in my bio to fill out the contact form, and I will reach out to you if you are selected.